Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we are digging into the world of minimalist footwear.
Specifically, the Lorax Pro barefoot shoes from a company called Hike Footwear.
Okay, so let's unpack this because our sources here paint a really contradictory picture.
Mm-hmm.
We've got these shoes that users seem to absolutely love. They praise the comfort, the health benefits, but the company selling them is
Yeah.
facing some serious questions.
Right, about their legitimacy. And that's really our mission today. We want to figure out if hikefootwear.com is, legit or a scam.
And what you as a consumer are actually getting when you click buy.
Exactly.
So let's start with the good stuff, the appeal, because the design is clearly a hit.
Oh, for sure.
The Lorax Pro has all the classic minimalist features. It's got that wide toe box so your toes can spread out naturally.
I'm a zero-drop sole.
Right, where your heel and toe are level.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be much better for your posture and your stride.
And what's just fascinating is the sheer amount of positive feedback on those design points.
We're talking thousands, right?
Yeah, over 37,000 reviews across different sites. And people genuinely rave about the comfort, the feel of the ground. For just, casual day-to-day wear, the concept is a home run.
Which makes the other side of the story so jarring. I mean, how do you get 37,000 glowing reviews if your business operations are, well, a mess?
And that's the core of the problem. The product concept is loved, but the company structure is raising a lot of red flags.
Okay, like what?
Well, for one, they're not accredited by the Better Business Bureau, the BBB.
And that's not just some sticker they're missing, right? It means something.
It really does. It means they haven't committed to a basic standard for resolving customer disputes, which is a big risk when you're buying online.
And the complaints logged on the BBB site and others seem to back that up.
They do. It's a consistent pattern. People have issues with delayed delivery, big problems with the return refund process.
And sometimes just getting a product that doesn't quite match what they thought they ordered.
Right. And this all sort of clicks into place when you see the findings about the product's origin. One source pointed out the Lorax Pro seems to be a white label product.
Meaning it's a standard design made in a factory and then just stamped with different brand names.
Precisely. Hike Footwear is just one of maybe dozens of retailers selling this exact shoe design.
Which explains the performance issues. If it's a generic, mass-produced item, you probably shouldn't expect, say, premium hiking durability.
You shouldn't, and that's what the sources warn about. They're great for walking around, but the durability and sole protection are weak. Take them on a rugged trail, and you will probably be disappointed.
So what's the bottom line here for someone who's curious about this minimalist trend?
I mean, the shoe itself isn't an outright scam. You will likely get a shoe that feels good for casual use, but you have to treat the purchase as a high-risk one, a gamble. Use a secure payment method, definitely, and keep your expectations realistic.
So if you're looking for a heavy-duty hiking shoe or, flawless customer service.
Look elsewhere. Absolutely. This isn't it.
Which brings us to the final question for you, the listener. You have the proven benefits of the design, the wide toe box, the zero drop, but you have these pretty heavy concerns about the brand and the service.
So how much risk are you really willing to put up with for a trendy product design?
That's a great question.
And it raises an even bigger one. If the same factory is making this shoe for 5 different brands, what are you actually paying for with that brand name?
Is it worth risking a bad return experience?
Exactly. It really encourages you to research other brands selling these white label models. You might find the exact same shoe from a company with a much better service record.